Good afternoon, students. I was telling you about the factors of climate, the factor which tell about the climate of a place. And I have told you that there are two type of factor. One is internal and second is external. We have started with internal factors, and the first is passing of Tropic of Cancer in the middle of the country. Yesterday when I was teaching you, I have shown you a map in your book. It is on page 5. If you see this is a map in which a single line, it is passing in the middle of India. This is called Tropic of Cancer. Now what is the link of this Tropic of Cancer to the climate of India? Let's see it. There are few latitudes which are named. One is 0 degree, that is equator. Second is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And the last one is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. So these are the latitudes which are named. These are the 5 main latitudes which are named, and what is the reason behind is because these latitudes divide whole earth into heat zones. If you see the position of sun, the sun rays fall directly to this area, that is from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. It is 23.5 degree north to 23.5 degree south, and this area is called tropical area or torrid zone. Tropical area or torrid zone, and this is the area because sunrise fall directly to this area. So this area is the climate is comparatively warm, very hot. And if we talk about the second portion, that is 33.5 degree north to 66.5 degree north. Here again 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degrees south. This is called temperate zone. In this zone, the sun rays are quite slanting. So the climate of this place is temperate. Temperate meaning moderate, not so hot, not so cold. So we have two zones we have seen here. One is tropical and second is temperate. Tropical meaning very hot area, and temperate meaning the temperature is moderate. Now moving to the last area, this is 66.5 degrees south to 90 degrees south, and again 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north. This is called frigid zone. Here sun rays hardly reaches, very slanting and hardly reaches, and this area is very cold. This is also called polar region. So we have 3 zones are there. One is tropical, second is temperate, and third is frigid. But how this connects the climate of our India? As you have seen that Tropic of Cancer is passing just middle of the India. That means this portion of India falls in tropical area, and this portion of India falls in temperate zone. So it means the southern part of India has hot climate and the northern part of India has moderate climate. But if you have seen that India has moderate climate in southernmost part of India, because there are other factors which also affect the climate of a place. Okay, so this is our first point which tells what is the climate of a place. It depends upon the latitude of the place. Okay, Now moving to the second part, that is Himalayas. If you have seen map of India, you will see Himalayas are like an arc, and these Himalayas are in the northern side of India. This is China, okay, and this is the area which come under northern plain. You all know that northern plain is also called greenery of India. This is the area which has the maximum growth of rice and wheat, and this is plain area, and soil is very fertile, water is available, so ideal condition for farming. But what would be happen? What would be happen if Himalayas were not here? The chilly winds from China would have crossed and they have reached India, and this area where we have moderate climate, we have alluvial soil, fertile soil, abundant water for agriculture, this would have turned into a very cold place or chilly place. You might have observed snowfall in winters. It look very nice that there will be all of you are staying in northern plains, so it was very fascinating for you that in winters we could have snowfall in our Rewari as well, but it is not like that. If cold winds would have approached northern plains, this area would become totally infertile and will not be able to get any of grains out of it. Okay, so this is a factor, second factor, that is called Himalayas. Now moving to the third factor, that is called peninsular position of India. About this I will tell you in a second video because this will become very long. Thank you.